D.C. business owners are urging the D.C. Council to let them do work normally reserved for DDOT.
Specifically, they want permission to repair damaged streets and sidewalks themselves. D.C. Bureau Chief Sam Ford explains why.
Bricklayers contracted by D.C.'s Transportation Department, DDOT, worked today repairing a section of sidewalk in Georgetown, which has taken a beating under all the pedestrian and delivery traffic. This is what some of the unrepaired sections looked like.
In the meantime, you've got these huge holes in the middle of our sidewalks.
In a city council hearing today, the CEOs of several D.C. BIDs, or business improvement districts, including Georgetown's, asked for authority to contract for their own small repair jobs before, waiting for city attention, they become big jobs.
The City of Boston's downtown bid just put out a job description for a full-time brick mason to come in and work through the bid to fix their sidewalks. It's something that bids do in other cities.
And for people who walk in Georgetown, like Dewan Lee, who likes to wear open shoes.
You've got missing bricks, pieces of the sidewalk upturned, and if you're walking in anything short of sneakers, it's pretty treacherous.
The BID's CEOs insist they're not criticizing the city, it's just a matter of scale. One of the BID members testifying today said while the city does a great job with $5 million contracts, not so good with $500 contracts, and the BIDs would like more authority to do the small jobs. While BIDs levy their own taxes within their commercial neighborhoods to keep flowers planted, streets and sidewalks clean, they believe D.C. should give the BIDs the funds to repair potholes or even out roads made rough by utility cuts. Otherwise, they say, many shoppers will end up going elsewhere. Reporting from Northwest Washington, Sam Ford, ABC 7 News.